Hola familia, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for all the continuous love and support. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you are new here to my channel, bienvenidos a mi canal. Welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for being here, for stopping by. If you're interested in videos related to beauty, lifestyle, and self-care, then you are in the right place. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button along with the little post notification bell. That way you are aware of any single time that I've posted new videos. And before I get started, I just want to send mad love to you guys, positive vibes. I hope that you guys are all staying as healthy and as safe as possible. Okay, so today, as you can tell, I'm going to be doing a BarkBox unboxing for the month of January. It is the first one of the month, and I know it's kind of weird. A lot of people are like, why do you do BarkBox unboxings? Well, it's because this channel is about my lifestyle, and if you don't know already, I do have 2 Shiba Inus. They're probably going to be around the area. They're really hard to sit in one spot, but I have Oso right here, and I have Kuma over here, boy and a girl. Fun fact, they both mean bear in different languages. So Oso is bear in Spanish, and Kuma is bear in Japanese. But anyway, I do have them. They're part of my family, of course, so I figure why not give them a little unboxing as well. If you aren't aware of what BarkBox is, it is a dog subscription box basically that contains 2 toys, 2 bags of treats I believe, and 1 I guess larger chew. Honestly, they do send a good amount of stuff in there, so I really get it for both of them so they can kind of actually split it. Last month was December box, and they were actually pretty late in sending it, so by the time they got it, it was already Christmas, and I was like, you know what, whatever. However, after I opened it more recently, like a week ago, I was like, man, I kind of wish I would have done the unboxing because it was mad cute. It had like a peanuts kind of theme, so it had like a Snoopy, a little bird, and I had added on like 3 little snowballs for like the holiday, winter, whatever. I think for like $11 extra. Matter of fact, I have a little clip that I posted on Instagram, so I'll post it somewhere around here so you guys can take a look. So totally forgot to unbox December's BarkBox, and they have all these little goodies, little Snoopy toys, and an extra add-on of little snowballs. BarkBox for December. They're patiently waiting. Okay, so as you saw, I did add, like I said, the little snowballs on there, but the box itself was super cute, and I know that they try to do like the themes every once in a while, so I'm not sure what the theme is for this month, but it is a new year, so I figured I'd jump back on this and see if you guys like the unboxings or not. So anyway, BarkBox, this is what it looks like. It does, I paid $25, but like I said, I paid $25 for both of the dogs, and it looks like this one says BarkBox Sit, Stay, and Spa Day. I don't know if you can see that. So like I said, it is a different theme, so I can already see the toys. I'm gonna wait for that for last because they are gonna go crazy over them. So the first treats that I see here in the box is called Moo Jerky Bars. This is a beef recipe. Okay, so this one is a little bit different than usual. It says it's bursting with USA beef. It's chewy jerky, and there's no grains added to this one, so no fillers, which is nice. And yeah, and I don't know, it's a cute little bag. This is what the bag actually looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and open one of them and see what it looks like. And it actually looks like a little jerky. It looks and smells like beef jerky. So one here is for Kuma and Osito. You want it? All right. Okay, so that's the first one. Like I said, it does come with 2 treats in it. So moving on to the second one right here, it's another little bag of treats. This one's called Gobble Jerky Sticks. It's a turkey recipe with sweet potato, which is pretty dope. It says it's turkey time, chewy jerky, real sweet potatoes, made with scrumptious and healthy superfood your dog adores. It says it's only the good stuff. This is definitely different packaging and different treats than what I've seen last year, so I'm kind of excited. I don't know if it's just like for the new year or what, but let's see what this one looks like. Oh, this is different. It's like this little longer beef jerky stick kind of thing. So Kuma, you get one. Osito, you get another. You want it? If you don't want it, you don't have to eat it. Alright guys, so that is it for those treats. I'm going to move those to the side, and like I did say, it comes with 2 bags of treats, 2 toys, and 1 and 1 chew. And the one that for this month looks like it is a liver log. It's liver log. Trying to pronounce my things correctly now. Anyways, this is a natural chew, and basically it's kind of small. I'm not going to open it, but this is what this one looks like. Usually, since they do share the box, I just split this in half and I give them 1 to each of them, and that's basically it. Inside the box, you have 2 toys, and I'll show you guys right now that it's actually cute because if you can see, it shows you kind of like the toys in Big Mac, not Big Mac, what are those Happy Meals in McDonald's? It kind of gives the options of the toys that you might be able to get. And the first one that looks like we have here, oh my god, this is so freaking cute. This one is called a Squeakulant. Oh, I don't even want to give this to them, this is so cute. So let's see. This one says dogs love the squeaker base and crinkly leaves. Also, they love chewing on a plant. So basically, this is why they give it to them. So let me go ahead and take this little tag off right here. And it squeaks, it crinkles, and it has the little things right here. So how cute is this little plant right here? All right, so we like it. Let's see if they like it. Oh, almost, Osito, almost. All right, so moving on to the next one in the box. This is super cute. This one says, relax and chin chill. What? And chin chill? I can't even read that. But anyway, it says, tuck a treat under the towel to make this squeaky toy even more irresistible. P.S. Did you know chinchillas prefer dust baths to wet baths? I did not know that. This fun fact is your reward for reading the hand tag. So this one also has a squeaker. It has a little squeaker, the crinkle, and they said that in the middle of it you can actually put a little treat, which is nice to hide it. And it kind of looks like this. It's a cute little toy. So like I said, the theme is basically spa, so that's super cool. Oh wait, guys, look at this. It's a little thing, but it opens up like a towel. How adorable is this? Oh my gosh. Another fun fact for you guys to know about BarkBox is depending on the size of the dog, like if you have a pit bull or a dog that has like a very harder chew, you can actually have different toys in those BarkBox for them. And just like any other like beauty subscription box, you actually can do add-ons in which you can add on more toys or change out the toys or things like that. But I just go with whatever's in the box. This is this. All right. Get it. And that is all that's in the box, guys. In here it says, start your new year, new me off right with a rejuvenating sploot at our luxury spa. So that's the whole concept of this, is because it is a new year, so they want them to, I don't know, take a spa day, I guess. But all right, we're gonna let them have at it. I guess I like it. Alright guys, so I know this video is a little short, but I hope you did enjoy. Let me know if you want to see more BarkBox unboxings. I know if you guys have pets, some people do want to see what options they have for subscription boxes. So that is all I have for you guys today. Thanks again for all the love and support. If you have any video suggestions, of course, leave them down in the comment box. I love you guys so much. Muchísimas gracias and have a good day. Ciao!